Now this is the 656 square feet carpet area 2 BHK at sector 9 Oro Avenue. So this is where the door would be. We are getting a foyer. This is for only 656 square feet carpet area where we get a 28 square feet entrance lobby. To the right of which or the left of which shall be the drawing depending on the placement of the apartment at the floor. So we get a very good drawing room of 15 by 10. Floor to roof height will be of 9.5 feet. This is how the furniture arrangement could be done. We have presented you with one of the few ideas of how the furniture placement could be. And a beautiful terrace of 4 by 10, which has got very good walkable area at 4 by 10. We are getting a nice balcony. Next to the drawing room, we are having the kitchen area. Kitchen area will be for 8 by 9 excluding the passage. Including the passage, it will be 8 by 12. So now the kitchen area supports cross ventilation. Not only does this particular configuration makes the flat look very big when you enter the flat, it helps in giving n number of choices. Suppose you are utilizing the kitchen and you have made a dish, then you could use any of these particular areas: drawing, dining arrangement, balcony, or any of the bedrooms. So now we are having a beautiful kitchen area with a very good working area. Cross ventilation would be superb for this flat because all the windows and balcony are towards one side and the main door and kitchen have got a window here. So this is very good for cross ventilation. We could easily monitor kids from this particular configuration, which has got a very good appeal to the new age customer. And here at the passage, we are having an outer basin which increases the functionality of this particular flat apartment type. At 11 by 10, we are having the outer bedroom. The outer bedroom will be for 11 by 10. So we have made a cupboard here. This will not be in the actual flat. However, we have made this so that we could give you an idea that, let's say, in a 11 by 10 room, we get a cupboard, and if we get a bed of 6 by 6, let's say, then also we are getting 40% free walkable space for this configuration. It's a beautiful space arrangement that gives you a lot of practicality, a lot of utility. Outer bathroom will be for 4 by 6 with Jaguar fitments. The chrome plated fittings are of all Jaguar company, best in the business. Flush doors. And here comes the master bedroom for 11 by 10. Now the master bedroom will also be having the same configuration as the outer bedroom, and it also gets you an attached bathroom for 7 by 4.2. This particular master bedroom has got a single bowl basin of Parryware along with Jaguar chrome plated fittings, same tiles. A very good roomy bathroom we have for the master bedroom bathroom, and it definitely adds a touch of good convenience to the family and specifically to the utilizer of the master bedroom area. This is specifically for 656 square feet carpet area, Oro Avenue Apartments.